Hey guys, KG7YTS here with a quick video for you. Just a real quick unboxing of my new phone. So I'm going to go ahead and get the plastic off this. It's handy that they put that there so that way you've got a nice hole to start with. But to make things easier, I'll just use my cutter and just put the hook under the plastic. Put that there and then just cut right through here, and that'll make it a whole lot easier to open. So just gotta go like that, and there we go. That should be good enough. Just pull that off. So there we go. Here it is. This is the Nuu Mobile G3. It's a phone I got from Amazon, so let me see if I can just take it out from there. I like the packaging. This was only $140, but the packaging is very premium feeling. Let me just make sure you can still see this on camera. Yep, you sure can. So right here, we've got the phone itself. Set that to the side. Got some Nuu Mobile stickers. Thank you for choosing Nuu Mobile. It's that tray that holds the phone. Getting started guide. Mint Mobile. See if I can just guys, this is really cool. It actually comes with a little Mint Mobile little kit. It's got the SIM card right here. You know, this is actually pretty funny because I was actually going with Nuu Mobile, and the card for that is coming, so that's pretty nice that they included that. Then we've got the plastic case for the phone right here. We've got our USB charger brick. Go ahead and take the plastic off of that. There we go, put it in the trash. And we've got our, so this is going to be a first time for me. So what this is we've got a USB-C to a headphone jack converter. So these are two new things for me because I've never had a phone that used USB-C before. So that'll be new for me. And also the fact that it doesn't have a built-in headphone jack. That's also new to me. But considering they include the adapter, which is better than some phone companies can say, I think it's pretty nice. So looks like we've just got one little box left in here. And that's just going to include our USB charger cord, USB-C charger cord. Right there. And then just, oh, SIM card ejector tool for Mint Mobile. So that's nice that they included that. So that's just all the stuff that was in the box. Let's go ahead and pull out the phone. So as you can see, I'm just going to try to lever it right on over to the case because of how just beautiful the back is. That's amazing. Gonna just peel the plastics off and try not to, okay, I think that's all the plastic off. Just gonna put that over into the case, try not to get any fingerprints on it. So yeah, that's beautiful. Just like shimmers right there. So on the front here we have Nuu Mobile, unlike phones, made better. And it's just got some specs here. So we've got a 5.7-inch display. We've got a MediaTek 2.39 GHz octa-core processor, 4G LTE, 4 gigabytes RAM, 64 gigabytes ROM, fingerprint ID, 13 and 5 megapixel rear, 13 megapixel front. It's also got a front-facing flash, which is pretty cool. So let me just compare it to my old phone, which I'll get right now. My old phone right here is just a Samsung Galaxy J3 Emerge from TextNow Wireless. As you can see, there is a bit of a size difference, but I mean, the bigger the better when it comes to phones. So let me just take my case off so we can do a real deal size comparison. So as you can see, here's my Samsung phone right next to it. As you can see, there's a pretty big size difference height-wise. Screen's taller. It's also a tiny bit wider, but as you can see, it is a bit of an unusual aspect ratio for a phone. But that's still pretty cool. So I'll go ahead and set my old phone to the side. Let's see if we can power this puppy on. Wow, that screen is bright. Look at that. I'm not even sure if it does it justice, but that's like blinding. So Nuu Mobile, there's a little startup screen. Just loading through that. So let's go. So it's SIM card skip for now. Skip. There we go. Welcome to your invite, blah 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 blah. So let's see. Go ahead and gives me an option to go ahead and copy my data from an iPhone or Android device or the cloud. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Connect to my Wi-Fi, if I can remember what it is. Let's go ahead and connect. Boom. There we go. Connected. Saved. Tuning IP. Connected. The usual stuff where it cycles there a few times just to make sure it's got good connection. There we go. There we go. So hopefully it'll do something pretty soon here. So now I'm just gonna set up my fingerprint. Okay, added my fingerprint. Blah blah blah, all that good stuff, accept. All set. Adding finishing touches, and as you can see, there it is, set up. I haven't logged in or anything, but I'll take care of that in a bit. So anyway, thanks for watching. This is KG7YTS, and I am clear.